Eyewitness Weather Forecast.
Evening to you, gang. Let's get you up to date with what we're dealing with this evening. Pretty nice out there. That's a live look downtown. But you can see as we look off to the east here, we do have a few growing clouds, a few distant showers. We'll show you those coming up in a moment. 84, nice breeze, kind of offering some relief. But it's not all that humid out there. The dew point is perched at 62, so that's not too bad. We will see an increase in the humidity, not so much tomorrow, but by Thursday, and that's going to have implications on our forecast as we expect showers and storms to return by then. There is a chance tomorrow, but it's not for everyone. So other than an isolated shower tonight, it's mainly dry. Low temperatures will end up in the mid-60s. Tomorrow, a few showers near Utica, Rome, the Thruway corridor, and points south. The highest likelihood for a gusty thunderstorm tomorrow would be well to the south, the southern tier down towards Binghamton, and high temperature right around 80. Probably mainly dry to the north. So here are the numbers tonight. 84 in town, 83 Marcy up to Griffiths, 84 in Clinton at last check over to Verona. We do have some rain showers to the east. It's 82 right now. Central Herkimer County in Norway, Dolgeville checking in at 84. 82 Cooperstown, 81 in Hartwick, a pair of 80s along 20 from Richfield Springs over to Springfield, and up north in the upper 70s to near 80. All right, so here's a kind of a snapshot of what's going on locally. Not much, but you could just see way down here. So this is western Montgomery County near St. Johnsville, right along the Thruway. We have a little downpour near St. Johnsville, over towards Ephrata, and down towards Palatine Bridge in Canjo. And then we look to the west. We have another line of showers and storms off to the north and west. These, I think, will falter, but I can't completely rule out one of them surviving the trip as we get into the overnight hours. So we mentioned that isolated shower near the Thruway on Wednesday, but the better chance, like I said, mainly south, down towards Binghamton in the southern tier. And then we turn our sights to Thursday with another risk of some localized heavy rain and some flash flooding. So again, watching that line off to the west, the old storm system from yesterday now moving up into the Canadian Maritimes. We've got this little bubble of high pressure kind of nestling in. But we still have these flooding issues. Look into western New England, along the Connecticut River Valley, northern Vermont, still dealing with some flooding. A lot of time there's a lag for when the actual flooding occurs once we get that storm system to move out. So there goes the high pressure moving away tonight. Then this cold front comes through, but again, notice it's favoring areas south, down towards the southern tier. Then we get into Thursday, another round of downpours and storms looking likely. It will turn more humid. And we've been showing you this. This is for Thursday and Thursday night, the kind of a flash flood outlook. And notice yesterday, if you remember, this yellow shade was over eastern New York, but now it does encompass parts of the Mohawk Valley and central New York, so that could be an eventuality on Thursday as the humidity increases. So shower mainly south tomorrow, 80, still not too humid. More humidity by Thursday with scattered downpours and storms. Some of those storms could be a little strong, too, in the afternoon. 85, I think mainly early Friday. Friday afternoon looks pretty nice. Warm and humid, 82. July acting like July into the weekend. Saturday, scattered storms. Probably drier Sunday. Another late day storm on Monday. And then finally some fresher air by next Tuesday.
Well, you have to wait a whole week to get there.
And I'm not even sure if I'm going to be right about it, so there you go.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
All right, thanks, Greg. There's more Eyewitness News.
All right, what's going on Central New York? Usually I get like a cue there, but anyway, how are you? Anyway, it's a nice day today, right? I mean, wasn't too bad humidity-wise, nor will it be tomorrow, and we made it through the day dry. But we've had a few very isolated lone showers and thunder showers develop. Those are quickly scampering off to the east. The temperature right now at 67 downtown at the top of the hour. So tonight, again, that isolated shower pretty much over with. Otherwise, it's mainly dry. Low temperatures are not going to drop too much from where they are right now. So mid-60s, mild, not too humid, pretty uneventful for the rest of the night. And then tomorrow, I think mainly dry. Again, not too humid. There could be a few showers near the thruway corridor, like the thruway 5 and 20 and south through the course of the day. That's the highest chance. Mainly dry north, high temperature right around 81. Numbers now settling back into the upper 60s at Griffiths and Rome to Marcy, 71 still in Clinton. It's 70 here downtown, 70 at Little Falls, 69 at Verona, down into Otsego County. Lone shower near Springfield at 68, down to Cooperstown as well, over to Hartwick. Morris, Sherburne, 68, a pretty popular number. And up here in the Adirondacks, where we continue to clean up from the flooding, mid-60s. Blue Mountain Lake over to Indian Lake and Long Lake. So I mentioned those few isolated showers scampering through. That one downpour moved right over us here at the TV station, right about there. Watch as it goes. That shower now moving up into the foothills of the Adirondacks, southern Hamilton County, northern parts of Fulton, and we have an isolated shower that moved through Springfield and Cherry Valley a little while ago and now moving into Schoharie County. All right, so maybe an isolated shower Wednesday. Best chances thruway corridor and south. Could be a few thunderstorms in the southern tier late tomorrow afternoon and into tomorrow evening. Then we turn our attention to Thursday. Flash flood risk as more showers and storms are likely. So here's those faltering showers tonight. Was a pretty solid line to the west. That has pretty much petered out. So not much going on the rest of the night. Now, again, it's south. That's the emphasis tomorrow. So down across the southern tier, the Binghamton area, Catskills, that's where showers and storms will be. And then what happens is we get this front to lay down over top of us here on Thursday. That is going to be the impetus to not only lift the air, but also wring out a lot of moisture. It's going to turn pretty darn humid again Thursday. Downpours and storms around as we go into Thursday. And we have this risk now for some flash flooding, localized flash flooding. Anywhere you see this yellow shade, so that encompasses much of the Mohawk Valley and central New York. We'll be watching that closely. So around low 80s tomorrow, showers south. If you're up north, you're dry. Scattered storms Thursday. Downpours. Could be some strong to severe weather in the afternoon, becoming more humid 85. A few showers linger, but I think they actually taper off Friday, so Friday night fun looks fine. And as we go into the weekend, more scattered storms developing, especially Saturday in the afternoon, maybe lingering into Sunday, but I think Sunday's probably drier than Saturday. Another isolated storm late in the day Monday, and then maybe some fresher air by Tuesday.
Sounds like those of us north of the storms tomorrow gotta soak up that dry weather while it's here.
Yeah, and they need it, like up over the Adirondacks. So again, if you're north of the thruway tomorrow, I think you'll escape rain-free.
Awesome. Craig, thank you. We'll be right back with some more Eyewitness News. Stay with us.